We're gonna get it up here, knocking it out. It's a good, honestly, what is that? We have to look at our app. It's got to be 15 to 20 mile an hour gust.
I'm gonna lock in.
We got the low T Mustang.
Fast pass.
It just disappeared into the blue sky, but if all you can hear is the wind, join the club.
You can zoom, it'll still stay hot.
It bounced off the fence and flew there that day, I believe.
That's into a steady 15 mile an hour wind. Again, if normal were flying, it would be 25.
Yeah. Here we go. We need to get you up there and do a straight dive pass. Mach 1.2.
Screaming for help.
Hervey's face was bloodshot.
Need more training.
Did she say altitude sickness?
Yeah. Oh, I was in low rates the whole time.
I didn't want to say nothing because I couldn't see it anyway.
Oh!
What in the
Did you see the
world?
bird attack?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't you mess with a P51. Attack. Man, he came after me. Fast pass, and come back and do that.
Give us some Hervey hoveray. To it. Come in for the second perfect landing.
It's an 8-minute flight.
And he's coming in hover mode, coming in. Nice.
And that's how it's done.
And when you fly correctly, it makes filming so much easier. So
On that note.
So with that being
apologies
said,
for the video quality.
thank God the pilots finally learned to fly within the realm of my filming. DW Productions out.